In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Color Swatch King app on Shopify. This tutorial will be succinct yet thorough, so you can add this fantastic tool to your online store without any hassle. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, ensuring you have the necessary permissions to install apps. If you're all set, let's get started. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, take a look at the left panel. You'll see a tab labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This section is your gateway to a multitude of applications that can enhance the functionality of your store, from marketing tools to inventory management and everything in between. Today, we're focusing on finding and installing the Color Swatch King app, which is fantastic for offering a wide range of color options, making product selection a breeze for your customers. In the Apps section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Simply type in Color Swatch King and press Enter. This will bring up a list of related applications, but you should see Color Swatch King prominently displayed. When it comes up, click on it to open its dedicated app page. This page provides a detailed description of the app, including features and user reviews, which can be helpful in making an informed decision about the app's suitability for your store. Once you've reviewed the app details and feel ready to proceed, look for the Install button. It's usually positioned prominently on the page. Click on Install to initiate the installation process. Now, this is when Shopify might prompt you to confirm that you want to install the app and outline any permissions the app requires. This step is important to ensure transparency, so take a moment to review the permissions, and if you're comfortable, click Install to continue. Installation is a breeze, but it doesn't stop there. After the app is installed, you'll be directed through their setup process. Don't worry, it's designed to be straightforward, with instructions that guide you through configuration options tailored to fit your store's needs. This stage allows you to customize the app settings, ensuring that it integrates seamlessly with your current product listings and store theme. It's a good idea to take your time during setup to explore all available features and adjust them as needed. This personal touch not only enhances the shopping experience, but also aligns the app more closely with your brand's aesthetic and functionality goals. And just like that, you're all done. The Color Swatch King app is now a part of your Shopify store, ready to enhance how customers interact with your products. Remember, if you ever need assistance, the app's support team is there to help. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most out of your Shopify store. Thank you for joining me today.